And Mark's dog, what happened?
There's no way you don't remember not being in here.
What's this place again?
It's a souvenir shop.
Yeah, the red one.
It was on the news next day.
Oh my god, a monkey.
Yeah, great big blow up.
My hair's so thin that no matter, there's always a wind in the store.
I know. It is so windy. Oh my god, I'm dropping. Oh.
I remember we used to come down here after a big storm and walk the beach just to see what you'd find. Literally, it doesn't look formidable from here. It's literally, when you're standing straight up, you reach out, you're touching the rock. It's like 80 degrees.
Yeah.
It's fucking unbelievable.
Yeah,
But we can still do it on snowmobile.
Yeah.
And stop and have a break.
Oh, we had to stop and have a lot of drinks when I fucking go.
Yeah, I did drink some
I nearly
water
fucking
though.
died.
Start
Just to start
Now,
the climb.
can I bike to the mountain
Nope.
and then?
No, it's all stairs and
It's all
stuff.
stairs, like
wooden
you go
stairs.
so far on a pathway, then you climb some stairs.
not
You
gonna
go
bike.
so far. Are you getting ready to go?
Okay, tomorrow we're taking the ferry. Matt is nervous that he's gonna be sick. I'm nervous. I'm gonna be sick. I'm nervous Matt's gonna be sick. I'm nervous I'm gonna be anxious. So that's that. I think we're gonna stop at the mall or Walmart tomorrow. Because I lost my lip chat. And I'm honest, what time should we leave tomorrow?
What time's ferry?
11:30 tomorrow night.
Whenever you want.
I'll ask Mom. That's the update. Matt won our game. Of course.
Damn right I did. Damn right.
Okay, hey friends. We're up this morning and on the road. We just stopped to get Tim's and gas in Deer Lake. Deer Lake is one of the towns you can fly into. Look at this photo. Hey, Beanie. All right, now we are going to the mall in Corner Brook, and then to my uncle's house, and then to the boat or the ferry in Port Bass. Port Bass. What was that?
Fuck, we're almost out of window washer fluid.
There's Marble Mountain. We're on the road. We're on the road. Matt likes trucks. I think he needs a truck now. We got kitty cat back here. She's just napping. Rumbling. Oh my god. Oh my god. That mark on the window is so annoying. Look who ventured out of her carrier. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, she's not even bad.
That's which direction out of this cat.
Did she bite? Oh yeah.
Oh, she got it.
Oh,
Like, you can be cute.
look at her. She's just sitting there.
Get back to the fucking cage, you savage.
Days. Hi, Beanie. Oh, your eye needs to be wiped. I know. You've had a hard day. Napped for 5 hours. So hard. Well, that'll be the home tonight. Daisy's back in her carrier. I think.
It's somewhere here, I'm thinking.
Well, it ain't right there, but. Where? Where? Oh, right there.
Some way.
I guess.
I'm just gonna figure it out. If I go the wrong way, we'll see it.
It doesn't really say anywhere.
Like, you think it'd be a nice big. Oh, this looks about right. That's what I'm doing. Oh, I see now. There must have been, I don't know. Is it down? No, I'm thinking it's that.
That road's closed, babe.
This one?
Yes.
You sure?
Babe.
Oh, yes, it is. You're so smart, baby. I love you.
I love when men don't listen.
Oh, you just didn't look like her.
Yeah, but we already passed it once.
See, that's what I thought it was.
I think this is the only one we can go down.
Oh, we're going down.
Is there anything coming up? Fuck me. Oh my god.
Get out like big boys.
We figured it out?
We figured it out like big boys.
All traffic. Wait, slow
All
down.
traffic.
Must turn right.
So this way?
I guess. Oh yeah, I think it's a big like turn down. Maybe.
Johnny. Which way? This way. She's going in this way.
Inspection this way?
Oh.
Your head is burning?
Like inside of it burning feeling.
My
Hard to
eyes.
explain.
My eyes are burning.
Yeah.
I know it's hard to explain. Oh, she's taking a pee-pee.
Did I say that by you?
Yes.
Oh, lovely. Let's go over
Bella's
here.
adventuring. Come on, Bellsy. Oh, we got a scent. There's the ferry. Should be interesting. Where's Mom? Oh, trying to get Bella to poo. It is time. We are ascending. We're like the last people to leave the parking lot. Yes, Daisy, I know. It's actually crazy they let us be last. Here we are. Here we are. I am so anxious for this. Do you have our tickets?
Yeah, in my pocket.
Okay. Oh my god, we made it.
Doing the ponytail.
Did you let her out?
Yes.
No. Where's
Oh, I
she?
thought you said yes, let her out.
She's in her
You
crate.
did?
You let her out.
I did. I'll let her out. Fucking with you.
Oh my god.
This is so small. Where are we all gonna go?
This is
Well,
like
one there. One there.
Isn't this like Ireland?
Well,
No,
Ireland,
this is like jail. That's what this is.
Ireland wasn't this bad.
Like jail.
Hi, Daisy.
Now, jail's not
We're
so
all
bad.
together again. One big happy family.
Yes. Happy might be the wrong word for her.
Come here, baby. Mom would get you some grub.
She's sniffing my hand. And then she bit me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh, she's like warming up. No.
I had her there one time. She sat there. I was driving. Harvey's in the passenger side. And Harvey reached over to get his can of Pepsi. And she fucking bit me. You can't bit me. Only good cat's a dead cat. I had my stick.
Also, a nice little bubble bag or what?
You want to drink water?
Oh, multiple. She is so confused.
It's a sin. She's incarnated.
You up there?
Yeah.
Puss.
Oh, hi, Days.
You bitch.
Oh my god, stop. She wasn't expecting this adventure tonight. We got pizza.
She's in the bathroom.
Is she?
Rolling around.
wild because it smells.
Because it smells.
Because of the different scent.
Bella took the biggest chunk of cat food, apparently. Mom sounded like Bella was actually
She did too.
croaking.
Like she grabbed it like this.
Can you do that again?
She had to be fast.
Look at her. She's like, "You talking about me?"
And I was getting her a nice treat.
And I was...
Okay. To avoid any fuck ups tomorrow, I'm gonna need you.
My anxiety is at an all-time high. Yeah. In Nova Scotia. Okay, we're off the ferry at a Tim Hortons. So now we're in Nova Scotia. I can't really tell if Mom and Sean are at this Tim's yet, but we're here, so that's good. Matt just had to pee. Oh my god. Look at all the dry skin. I mean, no wonder. Wait. I think we're gonna stop at a place called Edmondson tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, hello. So we got off the boat and went to Tim's, and now we're stopping for lunch. It's like, I don't know what time it is. Like 1 p.m. There's Mom. How is Mama's Angel? Hi! Hi! Hi, sweet baby! See, she talks to me. Something. Oh my god. Look at me now. Oh, little days. What a man, for real. Only 2 hours and 21 minutes left. And then we're gonna stop. Matt's not tired apparently, but
I go for days. I'm not afraid.
look at that little girl. Oh, she's so good. We've arrived in Edmondson, New Brunswick, I think that's what it's called. We're at the Quality Inn, and we're gonna stay here tonight. I'm just waiting to get Daisy out. Oh yeah, sure. And there's a casino here apparently. Okay, we're at the hotel. We've been here for like an hour, maybe. Here's the front door. Here's the front door. Lovely. Then there's this little closet. And then continuing along this wall, there's this little room. And it has a mini sink and the toilet. And then across the hallway is this nice big shower, vanity mirror, and just hooks. And then there's a big mirror right here. And then two, I think queens, I'm not sure. A big TV, desk space, coffee maker, microwave, fridge. Big window with blackout curtains. Some little hooks right here. Lots of plug-ins and some reading lights. Don't mind how red my face is. It's just very hot in these rooms. They had the heat on when we came in. But we ordered from Boston Pizza, so Matt's gone to get that. And then, I don't know. Also, I Lysol wipe everything in a hotel room when I first get in here. I know it's like supposed to be clean, but I was a housekeeper at a hospital, and you learn something between a hospital clean and a hotel clean, and you just learn the details of it. And not saying that's what they do, but I just like to make extra sure on the like high touch areas that I wipe them over as well. So that's what I did, and now I'm just gonna cool because it's so hot. Also, if you watch anime, this is my little JJK sweater Matt got me. I'll link it down below. It's from Etsy, and I love it. Okay, it's a new day. I'm whispering because Matt is still sleeping. But I'm up, showered, washed my hair. Feels so nice to shower and wash my hair. So gonna just brush it out, braid it, and then get him up. So that's the plan. Matt is in the shower now. There's also a casino here, so there's that. This is, oh my god, so much smoke and smog. But that's it. The room is an absolute mess. We did not sleep in the same bed. I mean, it's kind of nice to be able to just get some sleep and not worry about the other person. I'm just cleaning up now, getting ready. We're gonna go down for breakfast and then we're gonna go. So, okay, we are on the road again. It's so cold in the truck right now. And it's snowing outside. We're getting gas, and then Tim's. So, look at what he's laughing at right now.
Penis. What the fuck's going on though?
It's because you're
clear. Chip more gas and fuck.
You're chewing like that again. Here we go.
Aww.
5 hours?
Yeah, to that, and then another 2 to the hotel, so for 7 hours. What's wrong with that?
I'm so sick of driving. No, I couldn't download any yesterday.
You're sick of driving.
I'm sick of sitting in the car.
Would you like to walk?
No.
You have the easiest job ever. Sit there.
It's called boredom.
Look pretty as fuck.
Thanks, baby.
Do you?
I think I have gray hairs.
I think you do too. I'm kidding. Oh, you're in a car. It's really warm.
We're in Quebec.
Fuck.
I missed the sign because Matt was driving too fast. But
Not even going. This literally going the speed limit. I have cruise control on the speed limit. There's no way I'm going too fast.
Anyway, we just drove into Quebec. How fun. We have made our first stop. We did like 2 hours and 10 minutes, and here comes Daisy. She's letting Days out, maybe. Hi. Hi, Missy. Can't she? No, maybe she doesn't want to come out. Look at her. She's passed out. Oh my goodness. We stopped to get food. Got a soup from Saint Hubert, I don't know, nuggies, and I don't know what it was called. That's Matt absolutely shoving a chicken nugget in his mouth, so that's so nice. Not very much longer.
2 hours.
Until, and then another 2.
3.
This, and then another 2. You eat that nug, babe. Ew.
Unbearable hours later.
It's break time. If they're gonna come, I'm not sure. She's ready. We're here at this place. They're getting gas.
You dinked your head, I know you did. I know that hurt.
Off the windshield? Well, she made the jump. I don't know why. Daisy! We're in Brockville?
Yeah.
Ontario?
Sure.
Like, you actually don't know?
No, not really. I just showed up.
Are you... Whoa, good girl. Wait. Okay, hey. It is now the last day of our journey. We are going to make it all the way back to the town we're going. It's about a 4-hour drive from Brockville, and then it'll be done. Matt will go back to work tomorrow. I don't go back to work till next week-ish, so there's that. But yeah, I didn't really film last night. No one was feeling well. So I just didn't even film. We got Kelsey's for dinner. My stepdad Sean got Swiss Chalet. So yeah, that's that. But I'll continue to vlog today. And that's it. That's all. Getting tired?
Me?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
Okay.
Back to Newfoundland.
I can tell you who is. Look at her.
Broccoli.
Oh, she's
Remember
worried.
when you looked after me when my